Okay, this is a video on how to do a problem that's asking you how many liters of a certain, for a solution of certain molarity you can make given the amount of moles of compound you have. So the first thing you're going to do in any in any problem you have in chemistry is you're always going to look at what you're given. And what they give you in this problem is 0.5 moles of potassium chloride, or KCl. And so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put what you're given. So this is your given. And this is the rule you need to learn. This is how you're going to always start your problems in chemistry. So you're going to put your given over 1. And it's really important that we keep our units with our values. So we have 0.5 moles of potassium chloride. And we're going to put that over 1, right? Okay, and now we need to say, okay, well, where are we going with this? They're asking, you have to find out or figure out what are they asking you to find. And here they're asking you to find the number of liters of a 1.5 molar solution. So we know that we need to go to liters. And so for our next factor, we're going to have liters of solution up here, right? Liters. And down here, we need to get rid of moles. So we're going to put moles of KCl. And so this is called our conversion factor. And conversion factors, if you remember the factor label method, your conversion factors are just equalities, right? And we know that we're looking for a 1.5 molar solution. A molar solution is 1.5 moles per liter, right? That's what molarity is. Molarity is moles per liter. So they're saying that they want this in 1.5 moles of KCl per liter. So per 1 liter, right? That's our equality. So we know we have 1 liter, right? This is our equality, 1 liter and 1.5 moles of KCl. So let's write that again, 1.5. So basically we're just multiplying through and check that you set it up correctly. We have moles of KCl here, moles of KCl here. We can cancel that. We're left with liters, and that's what we're looking for. And so we know we've set this problem up correctly. So we multiply through 0.5 times 1 is 0.5, and that's liters, right? Divided by 1.5. And if we divide that, 0.5 divided by 1.5, what do you get? That's the answer. So go ahead and divide that, and hopefully this helps you with question number 5.